Each human has a spherical diamond device unit that is calibrated with our heartbeat pulse and DNA memories. We created these units to be our personal assistants. These devices serve many purposes. They are infinite energy generators used to manifest, build, and manufacture any object we wish on Earth and outside Earth's orbit. These units are linked to the bridge so we can command them with our thoughts. These units resemble the size of a baseball. We can do anything we want with these units. We can instantly grow crops with them by generating sunlight directly from them and accelerating the growth rate of soils, so we can instantly harvest the most nutritious and healthiest possible meal based on our exact body needs and requirements in seconds. We call this process reaping. We can also disintegrate any object so there is no waste. We can also reshape any landscape on the surface with these units, as well as regenerate any natural environments. We can print any element, material, mineral into any chosen form and shape instantly. These units have access to our library, so it knows the answer to any question in infinity immediately. These units operate at the speed of human thought. And then there is a visual representation of that. So as you can see, this is kind of like this idea that I was just making reference to about the decentralization, the distribution, the redundancy, and and this resiliency of who we are as a species with our technologies and the bridge and everything. Because the bridge is just a point, just like the core is a point, our planet is a point, a node that is distributed in nature and decentralized. And the way we do it is with our own bodies, but ourselves, we also have hardware, we have devices, and these devices are spherical units. The actual size is like the baseball, but it could be much bigger. We can have ones that are gigantic, the size of a planet if we wanted to. Okay, so it's all relative to what we want, because we can choose it. We're the creators. So because that is it, then with that we can do anything we want. And these are the technologies that we're using to reshape the landscape of the surface and everything that's going to happen very soon. And everything that we do and everything that we construct is like, you don't need smartphones anymore. What we have is these devices, these units, which are much more intelligent and more capable, and we have infinite potential with them. We can do anything. Whatever your imagination thinks, we can do with them, because this is our nature, this is who we are. And you can name them if you like. It's like a personal assistant. You can put a voice of your choice. You can have render holograms with it that are actual physical, that you can have if you wanted to have a personality or everything. You give it your own taste, but in reality it's just this spherical diamond that is calibrated with your DNA memories and who you are. And you can do anything you want with it. It could be a spaceship, it could be anything, it could be just a tool, equipment, it's just an assistant. It's just incredible, and it has answers to everything because it knows everything, because it's connected to the bridge and all our computers and our own systems. You can name it everything you want, and we can have as many as you like, but with one is enough. And then eventually just so you transition and you can communicate with other species, speak other languages. If you don't understand them, it knows everything, so you can interface with it. Anything. You can do anything you want with it. There is no limits. It's infinite. It's just your consciousness and your self-awareness. And you do that and you see, but eventually as we transition out of these devices, eventually it's you doing the same things with your own body. So your body is it, but you can have it manifested in that way because we like gadgets and things. This is the species that we are very creative. Okay, this is the video.